So now I thought it'd be a good time to talk about one aspect of component storage. So this is a photodiode right there, a 3mm photodiode that I bought in bulk. Came with this bag. I made this label with a label maker. Save money though. I should not have bought that. I should just write stuff on marker like I did right there for that 1K resistor when I couldn't read the label anymore on there. But in any case, we got the photodiode. It looks like an LED. So I don't want to store it with LEDs. Usually I just throw the LEDs together in a spot and you can see the color or whatever. And then you just grab them because they're not mostly clear. So instead, I got an individual bag just for the photodiodes. Now, most of these have never been used, and so I got a small bag for the ones that I know that I've used right there, just to keep them separated. So when I need one, I pull it out of the little bag, but I always keep the little bag in the bigger bag. So that's one of my tips for storing components.